Well, hello everybody, and happy holidays from Big Boys and Big Toys. My name's Ryan, and today we're going to do a review on an absolutely epic, no, it won't be, radio that I bought from Amazon to go in the Blazer. Let me start off by saying, I assume you noticed that we're in my living room today instead of outside. We'll be in the garage in a minute, but it is a balmy, I think, 18 degrees out. Too cold to be outside. We're going to do a review on this cheap, crappy radio that I bought that is hopefully not crappy. So I picked up this radio for $55 on Amazon. It is a 6.5 inch single DIN. This is how it comes. I'm just going to give you a quick show. Packaged like this. I've got backup camera stuff. Comes with a remote, a steering wheel remote, the wiring, and a mic. Taking it out of the plastic, this is the head unit. It's nice and thin. Looks like it's got all the right connections on the back. And it is a touchscreen. Android Auto. It's got some buttons. USB charging. Looks good. So let's go get the Blazer in the garage and get it apart, see what we see. I'll show you a few other things we got going on. Okay folks, so here's the one that we're replacing. I have this Kenwood that's been in here since, I think I put it in about 2015 or 16, bought it used. Got it from my best friend. It's been good to me, but it's time to upgrade. You know, it's this style. It's got a CD on it. Yeah, it opens like that. And then you got this over here. And it's got a remote. Anyways, it's been good to me. We're going to change it out. And I've got a different bezel for it because this one's been broken always. So once again, here's everything that comes in the kit. Box, head unit, wiring for the camera itself, wiring for all of the install. New mic. I'm hoping to reuse the mic that's in there. This is the one that's in here now. It works good, and I think it has the same wire. We'll find out in a minute. Oh, the glare is bad. I guess that's the steering wheel button control. This is the regular one, and as I said, I got another bezel here that's not broken. Let's get this out. So from previously doing this, I know that we have to take a couple screws out. Got one here, one here, one here. That should allow this to come off. We'll get to the rest. And with those screws out, you can swing this down out of the way. We can now disconnect this, which is the cigarette lighter. And then I got to figure out how to get to this. I'm not sure yet. And I figured out my ashtray mount is broke. I need to address that while I put it back together. And more importantly, we've got one and two that hold the radio in, and I believe they're 7mm, and then we'll cut out. For anyone looking to do this on an actual S10 and not just looking at the review on the radio that I bought, it's very convenient if you leave these nice and long when you do the install. You can tuck them in a little to set the radio out here on the glove box. I've done it on a couple of them that I've owned. Very convenient. More importantly, the white wire. It is on a plug that was clipped right here. Made it very easy. I'm going to get that unclipped and this off. Oh, and get that unclipped and get this off. Those plugs look the same to you. I hope you can see it all. Probably not. I think they're exactly the same. That's the new microphone, and that's the original microphone. We're going to give the original a shot because I know it works good. FYI, if you're already in your dash right here, it's the easiest time to change your cigarette lighter light, because I still had a regular 194 in it, and in case you can't tell, everything else is LED, so LED now. Same goes for the glove box light. Switched it over to an LED. You can pop this cover and get to it. You can pop this out and get to it, I think. I'm not sure. But you can also just shove a bulb in from the back right here. Okay, and now real quick, I got the two out here. You can see the difference in size. That's the old one. That's the new one. So I'm gonna take this wiring apart that I did probably poorly by the electrical tape that I can see, and I'm gonna do it a little better this time, and we're gonna wire it up to the new stuff. I was excited about my bezel for a minute and then realized something drastic. Can you tell what's wrong? So I'm not sure what I'm doing here yet. We'll stay tuned on that. Well, hey there, y'all. Guess what? It's another day. I got stuff wired together last night. I didn't get it shoved in the dash. It was about 10 o'clock. I went to bed. But, as I said, it's another day. And it's installed. I haven't put the bezel on yet because I want to make sure I like it. Guess let's see. You ready? Let me be fair ahead of time. I did turn it on and pair my phone so that I could show you folks. That's all I did. Okay, we got radio. Oh, we're connecting. Oh, there's a clock at the top. Time's not right, but that's cool. We'll set it in a minute. There we go. We've got Android Auto. Let's see if it plays music. Spotify. Hey! Hey, and the pause works. Were y'all listening to that with me? I know you weren't. Alright, and I installed the steering wheel control. I have no idea if that works or not. Let's see. Next song? Oh. Steering wheel control works. Let's play with some buttons. Oh, mutes it if you click it. Okay. Guess we've got answer or skip song. So far it does a lot of stuff, huh? Home. Alright, here's where you can go to radio, Bluetooth, Android Auto, so on and so forth. Here's all our setup. There we go. That's what we want. Rear cam. Okay, I haven't put the camera in yet because I'm going to make sure that I like it first. Same goes for the microphone. I did not plug in the one that I have in here because it did not plug in all the way, so I assume it wasn't going to work. Wow. Lots of settings. Okay, equalizer. What's the equalizer? Oh, there we go. Oh, we got loudness. Okay. Well, it does work good. Does it just turn off like it's supposed to, I guess? And then reconnect and stuff? Should stay on for a second, it says. Yep, perfect. Does just what it says. Alright, back on again. See what connectivity looks like. Boots up. Comes on. Looks like it's gonna go to radio, maybe? I don't know what it's gonna do. Nope, it's gonna go straight to Android Auto because that's what we were using last. Fair. Connecting takes a minute. It's okay, not the end of the world. Well, that took a second. Still way faster than the old one was. Well, that's the best review I can give you. If you stick around next week, or maybe the week after, I don't know, I am going to run the backup camera, and I'll tell you about that, and I'm going to go ahead and stick a sub in it. I have a very 90s Pioneer bass tube that my cousin Jeff gave me a while back that I forgot about, that, guess what? It belongs in this, I think. That's the best review I can give you folks right now. Stick around, I'll let you know what happens in a week or so. Thanks for watching this video, folks. Like, comment, subscribe, ask me if you have any questions. Maybe I can answer them, you know. Thanks, guys. Bye.